E-Invoice Audit Report. With the help of this report, you can generate list of those vouchers on which e-invoice is to be generated, but by mistake or due to any other reason, e-invoice is not generated for those vouchers. E-invoice applicability for vouchers is judged as per the rules specified by the government. Now, let us see how to view this report in Busy. For this, we will go to Transactions, GST Miscellaneous Utilities, E-Invoice Management, E-Invoice Audit Report. We will click on this option, specify the starting date and ending date for which you want to generate this report, and here you can see E-Invoice Audit Report is generated. Under this report, you can see those vouchers on which e-invoice is to be generated but is not generated. Also, if you want to generate e-invoice for the voucher from here itself, just click on that voucher and then you can generate e-invoice. This can be done only in the condition if the transaction is within the written period. So, with the help of this report, you can view those vouchers on which e-invoice is to be generated as per the rules specified by the government but is not generated. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.